lots of power
and accuracy. It's an important save from Alisson.
It's Dembele and he's free! Smothered by Alisson, and he's there again.
That's a brilliant stop. And then
Kvaratskhelia! Alisson get there, I think he might have done. Doué, good save again. And wanders through.